to A Daily Commute with Coffee Guy 419. I figure if I'm riding to work, I might as well make a video. So every day I will try to find a new subject to talk about. If there's something you want to hear about or want me to talk about, leave me a comment. I will see if I can help you out there. Incidentally, I put the decals on that truck. Sure did. I've got pictures to prove it. Coffee fact of the day. A coffee bean is not a bean. It's actually the seed of a coffee cherry. Just that when they roast it or process it, it resembles a bean, a legume, if you will. In 1997, I started working for a sign and graphics company. I traveled all over the United States, putting decals on gas station canopies, fascia, store interiors. Did a few graphics on vehicles, but not too many until later on. I started doing TruGreen trucks in 2002, and I have continued to do them on and off since that time. I quit with the sign and graphics company in 2007, but continued to do graphics on my own. And here are a few examples of what I've done. I like putting graphics on. I love installing graphics. I'm good at it. That's not a brag. I am. I've done enough of it. I like it so much, I even wrapped the spike. Seeing the Wreaths Across America trailer on the highway was kind of a unplanned event. That was kind of cool. I set out to do this vlog. I was thinking about doing it all week, and so seeing the trailer was kind of a bonus. I didn't decal that trailer, but somebody did. Just a nice example of what you can do with a wrap. I don't do the design on most of what I do. But that's okay. I enjoy installing more than I do trying to design, or I don't know, it's just not. Maybe someday I'll do it, but that's just not what I enjoy doing the most. You know what I mean? I'm not saying I'm the best at it at all. There's definitely guys out there that have been doing more wraps and doing it longer, but I do enjoy doing it and hope to do more of it. I think I've been to 44 states, worked in most of them, putting graphics on. Only a few states that I've been to that didn't actually work in them, Oregon being one of them. Oregon or Oregon? Which is that? States I have not been to. Let's see if I can remember them all. Of course, Alaska, Hawaii. I've not been to the state of Washington, but I have seen it. As in, I flew over it and I was at a restaurant right across the river from it. So I've not been to Washington. I've not been to Idaho, but I've flown over it, looked down into, is it Hell's Canyon? I think that's what's in Idaho. Have not been to North Dakota, and I have not been to Vermont. Maine is another state that I didn't work in. I just drove up there because I'd never been to Maine. The plan was to go to Vermont, but after driving for 6 hours, I was ready to go home. Well, not home, but back to the hotel in Boston. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment, say hello, let me know what you think, what's going on in your life, all that. What's your favorite cup of coffee? And in the meantime, be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.